You want to explain our situation, Stacey?
What did you say?
You want to explain our situation?
That's it.
See if Joanna can do a better job.
You want me to explain this? Okay. Well, me and Denise, you know us well. We came to visit Stacy after we went to New York. And then
Do you want to hold this?
hold it. Because you're going to go to sleep.
Yeah. I don't know if you're in the frame. You can make whatever videos you want.
Alright, let's take crazy videos now. Once Denise falls asleep, we'll take some crazy videos.
He'll video me.
Can you talk? Can you talk?
Coughing, you asshole.
Say it louder.
I'm coughing, you
I'm
asshole.
coughing. Can you do it again? Stacy, do you have a laptop? Yeah. Go get it. You think? Yeah. All right. Right? College. Hold on, the battery's about to die. Good going.
Are you kidding? Are you videoing me?
Say that louder.